I have a headache. I have a headache. I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. Can you recommend a good place for sightseeing? Can you recommend a good place for sightseeing? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? I have a question. I have a question. Can you pass me a tissue? Can you pass me a tissue? I like to go for a run. I like to go for a run. Can you lend me some money? Can you lend me some money? I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I am waking up early today. I am waking up early today. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to brush my teeth. It's time to brush my teeth. I need to take a shower. I need to take a shower. I'm getting dressed now. I'm getting dressed now. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. I like to drink tea in the morning. I like to drink tea in the morning. Have some fruits with your breakfast. Have some fruits with your breakfast. Don't forget to pack your lunch. Don't forget to pack your lunch. Time to leave for work. Time to leave for work. I'll be back in the evening. I'll be back in the evening. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. I need an umbrella. I need an umbrella. Let's watch TV together. Let's watch TV together. Can you pass the remote control? Can you pass the remote control? The movie is interesting. The movie is interesting. I'm going to cook lunch now. I'm going to cook lunch now. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? Please set the table. Please set the table. I'm washing the dishes. I'm washing the dishes. The kitchen is clean now. The kitchen is clean now. Time to do some laundry. Time to do some laundry. I need to iron my clothes. I need to iron my clothes. The living room needs to be organized. The living room needs to be organized. I'm vacuuming the carpet. I'm vacuuming the carpet. Let's have a family meeting. Let's have a family meeting. I'm studying in my room. I'm studying in my room. Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? Time to go to bed. Time to go to bed. Good night. Good night. I had a good night's sleep. I had a good night's sleep. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. What's for lunch? What's for lunch? The food is delicious. The food is delicious. Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. I'm going to take a nap. I'm going to take a nap. I have to do some house cleaning. I have to do some house cleaning. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I'm watering the plants. I'm watering the plants. The flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. I'm feeding the pets. I'm feeding the pets. Let's play a board game. Let's play a board game. I need to pay the bills. I need to pay the bills. I'm working from home today. I'm working from home today. The internet is slow. The internet is slow. I'm taking a break. I'm taking a break. Time to exercise. Time to exercise. I need to lose weight. I need to lose weight. I'm cooking dinner now. I'm cooking dinner now. The food is spicy. The food is spicy. Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? I'm doing the dishes. I'm doing the dishes. The garbage needs to be taken out. The garbage needs to be taken out. I'm watching a documentary. I'm watching a documentary. Can you fix this broken chair? Can you fix this broken chair? Let's rearrange the furniture. Let's rearrange the furniture. I'm redecorating my room. I'm redecorating my room. The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. I'll call the plumber. I'll call the plumber. It's time to check the mail. It's time to check the mail. I received a letter from my friend. I received a letter from my friend. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. Can you turn on the fan? Can you turn on the fan? The room is too hot. The room is too hot. Let's open the windows. Let's open the windows. I'm taking a picture. I'm taking a picture. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. I'm listening to music. I'm listening to music. This song is my favorite. This song is my favorite. I'm charging my phone. I'm charging my phone. The battery is low. The battery is low. I'm writing a shopping list. I'm writing a shopping list. We need to buy groceries. We need to buy groceries. Let's go to the supermarket. Let's go to the supermarket. I'm cooking spaghetti for dinner. I'm cooking spaghetti for dinner. Can you pass me the cheese? Can you pass me the cheese? I'm setting the table for dinner. I'm setting the table for dinner. I'm lighting candles. I'm lighting candles. The power is out. The power is out. I'll call the electrician. I'll call the electrician. Let's have a family dinner. Let's have a family dinner. I'm doing some online shopping. I'm doing some online shopping. Add these items to the cart. Add these items to the cart. I'm making a 2. I'm making a 2. I have to pay the rent. I have to pay the rent. Let's have a movie night. Let's have a movie night. I'm tidying up the living room. I'm tidying up the living room. Can you help me with the laundry? Can you help me with the laundry? I'm taking a quick shower. I'm taking a quick shower. The water is cold. The water is cold. I'm going to fix the leaky faucet. I'm going to fix the leaky faucet.